The space grant colleges are institutions that are members of a network of 52 consortia formed for the purpose of outer space-related research. Each consortium is based in one of the 50 states, the District of Columbia, or Puerto Rico, and each consists of multiple independent space grant institutions, with one of the institutions acting as the lead. The U.S.Congress established the National Space Grant College and Fellowship Program in 1988. NASA administers the program, and first took that role in 1989. Similar programs include land grant colleges, sea grant colleges, and sun grant colleges. Unlike in the land grant program, no economic rights to outer space have been granted in the space grant program, only money. Objectives. The program claims the following objectives: establish and maintain a national network of universities with interests and capabilities in aeronautics, outer space, and related fields. Encourage cooperative programs among universities, the aerospace industry, and federal, state, and local governments. Encourage interdisciplinary training, research, and public service programs related to aerospace. Recruit and train U.S. citizens, especially women, underrepresented minorities, and persons with disabilities, for careers in aerospace science and technology, and promote a strong science, mathematics, and technology education base from elementary through secondary levels. Participating institutions. As of 2002, there are over 850 participating institutions. Alabama Space Grant Consortium, Auburn University, University of Alabama at Birmingham, University of Alabama in Huntsville, University of South Alabama, Alabama A&M, University Tuskegee University, Alaska Space Grant Consortium, University of Alaska Fairbanks, Arizona Space Grant Consortium, Arizona State University, Northern Arizona University, University of Arizona Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Arkansas Space Grant Consortium, University of Arkansas at Little Rock, lead institution, Arkansas State University, Jonesboro, Arkansas Tech University, Russellville Harding University, C.S.E. Henderson State University, Arkadelphia, Hendrix College, Conway Leon College, Batesville, Ouachita Baptist University, Arkadelphia Southern Arkansas University, Magnolia, University of Arkansas, Fayetteville University of Arkansas at Fort Smith, University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences, Little Rock, University of Arkansas at Monticello, University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff, University of Central Arkansas, Conway, University of the Ozarks, Clarksville, California Space Grant Consortium, University of California, San Diego, Headquarters Cal Poly Pomona, Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, California State University, Long Beach, California State University, Los Angeles, California State University, Sacramento, California State University, San Bernardino Grossmont, Cuyamaca Community College District, San Diego State University, San Jose State University, Santa Clara University, Stanford University, University of California, Berkeley University of California, Davis University of California, Irvine University of California, Los Angeles University of California, Riverside University of California, Santa Barbara University of California, Santa Cruz University of Southern California, Colorado Space Grant Consortium, University of Colorado Boulder, Colorado Mesa University, Colorado State University, Colorado School of Mines, University of Denver, University of Northern Colorado Adams State College, Fort Lewis College, Metropolitan State University of Denver, Pikes Peak Community College, Western State Colorado University, Connecticut Space Grant Grant Consortium, University of Hartford, Lead Institution, University of Connecticut Health Center, Trinity College, University of New Haven, Eastern Connecticut State University, Southern Connecticut State University, Central Connecticut State University, University of Bridgeport, Fairfield University, Wesleyan University, Yale University, Connecticut Community Colleges, Delaware Space Grant Consortium, University of Delaware, Florida Space Grant Consortium, Astronauts Memorial Foundation, Bethune-Cookman University, Brevet Community College, Eckerd College, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Florida A&M University, Florida Atlantic University, Florida Gulf Coast University, Florida Institute of Technology, Florida International University, Florida Southern College, Florida State University Higher Education Consortium, Kennedy Space Center, Space Florida Authority, University of Central Florida, University of Florida, University of Miami, University of North Florida, University of South Florida, University of West Florida, Georgia Space Grant Consortium, Georgia Institute of Technology, Hawaii Space Grant Consortium, University of Hawaii at Manoa, Idaho Space Grant Consortium, University of Idaho, Illinois Space Grant Consortium, University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, Illinois Institute of Technology, Indiana Space Grant Consortium, Ball State University, Indiana University, Indiana State University, Indiana University, Purdue University, Fort Wayne, Indiana University, Purdue University, Indianapolis, Purdue University, Calumet, Purdue University College of Technology at Columbus, Greensburg, Taylor University, University of Evansville, University of Southern Indiana, Valparaiso University, Iowa Space Grant Consortium, Iowa State University, University of Iowa, University of Northern Iowa, Drake University, Kansas Space Grant Consortium, Kansas State University, University of Kansas, Wichita State University, Kentucky Space Grant Consortium, Western Kentucky University, Louisiana Space Grant Consortium, Louisiana State University, Louisiana Tech University, Maine Space Grant Consortium, University of Maine, University of New England, University of Southern Maine, St. Joseph's College of Maine, Bates College, Bowdoin College, Colby College, Southern Maine Community College, York County Community College, Maine Maritime Academy, College of the Atlantic, Maine Manufacturing Extension Partnership, Bigelow Laboratory for Ocean Sciences, Maine Mathematics and Science Alliance, Gulf of Maine Research Institute, Lockheed Martin Challenger Learning Center of Maine, Applied Thermal Sciences, Maryland Space Grant Consortium, the Johns Hopkins University Lead Institution, the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, Morgan State University, the Space Telescope Science Institute, Towson University, Hagerstown Community College, University of Maryland, Baltimore County University of Maryland, College Park, United States Naval Academy, University of Maryland, Eastern Shore, Massachusetts Space Grant Consortium, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth, Michigan Space Grant Consortium, University of Michigan, Minnesota Space Grant Consortium, University of Minnesota, Mississippi Space Grant Consortium, Alcorn State University, Coahoma Community College, Delta State University, Hines Community College, Itawamba Community College, Jackson State University, Mississippi State University, Pearl River Community College, Meridian Community College, Mississippi Delta Community College, Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College, Northeast Mississippi Community College, Mississippi University for Women, Mississippi Valley State University, University of Southern Mississippi, University of Mississippi, Missouri Space Grant Consortium, Missouri University of Science and Technology, lead institution, University of Missouri, Columbia University of Missouri, Kansas City University of Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri State University, Washington University in St. Louis, Lincoln University, St. Louis University, Truman State University, William Jewell College, Montana Space Grant Consortium, AANIIH, Nakoda College, Blackfeet Community College, Carroll College, Chief Dull Knife College, Dawson Community College, Flathead Valley Community College, Fort Peg Community College, Little Bighorn College, Miles Community College, Montana State University, Billings, Montana State University, Bozeman, Montana State University, Northern Montana Tech of the University of Montana, Rocky Mountain College, Salish Kootenai College, Stone Child College, University of Great Falls, University of Montana, Missoula University of Montana, Western Nebraska Space Grant Consortium, University of Nebraska, Omaha, Nevada Space Grant Consortium, University and Community College System of Nevada, New Hampshire Space Grant Consortium, University of New Hampshire, New Jersey Space Grant Consortium, Bloomfield College, Georgian Court University, Goddard Institute for Space Studies, Liberty Science Center, Medgar Evers College, New Jersey City University, New Jersey Institute of Technology, Princeton University, Ramapo College, Rowan University, Rutgers University, Camden, Rutgers University, Newark, Rutgers University, New Brunswick, lead institution, Seton Hall University, Stevens Institute of Technology, Union County College, New Mexico Space Grant Consortium, New Mexico State University, New York Space Grant Consortium, Cornell University, lead institution, Alfred University, Barnard College, City College of New York, Clarkson University, Colgate University, Columbia University, Lockheed Martin, Medgar Evers College, Polytechnic Institute of NYU, Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, Rochester Institute of Technology, Science Center, Binghamton University, University at Buffalo, SUNY Geneseo, Stony Brook University, Syracuse University, Union College, University of Rochester, Vaughn College of Aeronautics and Technology, York College, North Carolina Space Grant Consortium, North Carolina State University, North Dakota Space Grant Consortium, University of North Dakota, Ohio Space Grant Consortium, Ohio Aerospace Institute, Air Force Institute of Technology, Case Western Reserve University, Cleveland State University, Ohio University, The Ohio State University, the University of Akron, University of Toledo, University of Cincinnati, University of Dayton, Wright State University, Oklahoma Space Grant Consortium, University of Oklahoma, Oregon Space Grant Consortium, Oregon State University, Eastern Oregon University, George Fox University, Lane Community College, Lynn Benton Community College, Oregon Institute of Technology, Pacific University, Portland Community College, Portland State University, Southern Oregon University, University of Oregon, University of Portland, Western Oregon University, Pennsylvania Space Grant Consortium, Pennsylvania State University, Puerto Rico Space Grant Consortium, University of Puerto Rico, Rhode Island Space Grant Consortium, Brown University, South Carolina Space Grant Consortium, College of Charleston, South Dakota Space Grant Consortium, South Dakota School of Mines and Technology, South Dakota State University, Tennessee Space Grant Consortium, Vanderbilt University, Texas Space Grant Consortium, Angelo State University, Texas A&M University, University of Texas at Austin, Lamar University, Rice University, Utah Space Grant Consortium, Brigham Young University, University of Utah, Utah State University, Vermont Space Grant Consortium, University of Vermont, Virginia Space Grant Consortium, College of William and Mary Hampton University, Old Dominion University, University of Virginia, Virginia Polytechnic Institute and State University, Washington, D.C. NASA Space Grant Consortium, American University, Washington NASA Space Grant Consortium, University of Washington, West Virginia Space Grant Consortium, West Virginia University, Wisconsin Space Grant Consortium, University of Wisconsin, Green Bay, Wyoming NASA Space Grant Consortium, University of Wyoming,